Good morning and welcome to a new day. This is day 2 in San Francisco. We've just checked out of our hotel. It is currently 8:20 a.m. and now starts the fun mission of trying to find a repair shop for our car. We've already called one place and they're fully booked for today, so the luck isn't with us so far, but hopefully, I feel like there's so many shops around that somebody has to have a spot. I'm feeling hopeful, but that's all I can do really. Okay, we have managed to find an auto shop that is willing to take a look at our car today. He said that obviously he can't really promise it being fixed today because he needs to take a look at it to see what's happening. So he said if it's just the caliper that's the issue, then he could have it done by 11 o'clock this morning, which is fantastic. So we're really hoping for that. But he said if it's something bigger, he can't promise fixing it today and it might be done tomorrow. So they're taking a look at the car right now. He's like, go for a walk for half an hour, come back, and then we'll tell you what the issue is and we'll go from there. So that's what's happening. So we're going for a little walk right now. Okay, time to find out our fate. Let's hope it's the gooder, quicker, better, cheaper option.
Hello. Is it good news?
Well, I think that caliper's bad.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure the caliper's bad.
Which is what we thought.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Nice. Okay.
So is that rotor still fine?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
still fine.
Because this one is the brand new one.
It's overheated. It's been heated up
Okay.
too much.
Yeah.
But he'll show you here. Let me get out of the way.
Okay, so good news. He said that it is just the caliper that was the issue, which is what we suspected as well. And it's just old and shot, so they are replacing it with the caliper that we had bought initially, so we don't have to pay extra for that, so that's great. And the car's going to be done and all fixed by
An hour and a half.
yeah, in an hour and a half. So good news. So now we're just going to go find a coffee shop, hang out, and then we'll be back, get the car, and then we're on our way to Lake Tahoe.
Yay! Okay. So by the time you get the parts and then it's like the hour, like how long do you think so just let me know if I got this right. So the parking brake parts inside the caliper were broken when not in the caliper. The drum that's on the inside of the rotor was broken. Oh, okay. So the parts that hold the parking brake shoes are in there in the rotor and those are broken. All right, that's unfortunate, obviously, that there's more work to be done, but I trust you and thank you for letting me know. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so basically it's going to take longer now because there's a part that's broken within there, but it's only like a $30 part.
Okay.
But it's going to take a little bit longer. So he's estimating that once they get the part in and everything, that the car will probably be done by 2:33. So we have a couple more hours to waste, basically. Okay. But he says it's not that big of a deal, like it's still fine, but it's going to cost a little bit more. So he's going to call us back within the hour with the estimated cost, because before we knew it was like $260 whatever. Now it's going to be up more.
Okay, that sucks.
Told you it was going to be around $400, so that's still my guess.
So as you just heard, Quinn said that we are going to have to spend a bit more hours, a few more hours chilling out and doing work and having coffee. So we're coming down to the seaside to sit on a bench and hang out and just wait pretty much. But we're in this really cool place. It's called Fort Mason. I don't know if it is a fort anymore. I think it's more just like a touristy attraction, but it's a pretty cool place.
This is the vlog update. We are back in Tantor. We just picked him up about like 15 minutes ago, maybe, not even. And the guy at Union Garage, his name is John. His father owned and started the business and he picked it up because that's what you do. And he is fantastic. We chatted with him for like 10 minutes about mountain biking and the area and everything. And said thank you so much for squeezing us in today, because they did more work than they thought they would on our car, because
Proceed to the route.
when one thing broke, then they found another thing that was broken, so it took longer, but they did it all. And obviously he's not going to do this for everyone, but he like allowed us to pay not the full price, so it was fantastic. I estimated it would be $400, and that's exactly what it was, but it would have been way more. It was just great service, fantastic. They explained exactly what happened. They showed us what happened. They were very honest and just good people. I could have hugged them, but the pandemic is a thing. So we are on the road and headed to Lake Tahoe. We should be there in about 3 hours-ish, maybe a little bit more than that. So our plans really haven't changed that much. We're just like a couple hours behind schedule from what we wanted. But the car is fixed. Yay! And that's it.
Arrive at Tahoe Valley Campground. All right, so we have just got to the campsite. We registered, and as we were checking in, the woman was just going through all the rules with us. She's like, put the tag on your campsite, like
Be bear aware.
Be bear aware. And as she's explaining about bears to us, she gets a call on her walkie-talkie that there's a bear in the back of the office. So they run out, and we run out with them. She's like, come look, come look. And there's this little baby black bear that was running around like in the trees. So hopefully Quinn will sleep tonight, because they were like, we get bears here every night, but they're just black bears, so they're harmless. And we actually got to see a bear like before we even set up our campsite, so that was pretty cool for me. I don't know how you feeling, Quinn.
I'm just trying to figure out where we're going.
Okay.
I think it's this way.
Yeah, we're gonna find our campsite now. We got our campsite clearly. We haven't noticed any bears yet, so hopefully we'll be fine for tonight. Everything's locked in the car, and they have no reason to come eat us at night, right? So yeah, I guess that's gonna end today, but we are very excited to be exploring Lake Tahoe for the next 2 days. We have 2 nights here, so it's gonna be fun. What a crazy day once again. But
did you tell him I backed into a tree?
Oh, when we're coming to our campsite, Quinn reversed straight into a tree. It was great.
It wasn't straight into, I was going like 4 miles per hour. Like I was going so slow, but it did more damage than a 4 mile per hour bump should have. It's not bad though.
Well, there's a cliffhanger. Come back tomorrow to see the dent that Quinn made in the car.
It's not that bad. This is the first accident or thing I've ever done in the 8 years of driving. So I don't want to hear it. I don't want people to think I'm a bad driver. Not all women are bad drivers. I'm a better driver than Dean is.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
Well, I'm driving on the opposite side of the road from what I
Whatever.
learned, so.
You almost backed into John's car.
Okay, again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with the dent update this time.
Stop.
Instead of #fungus update. I think that's all cleared up now. So
No, it was a rash update. It wasn't
#rash update.
It's almost, I should still put on ointment, but I'm not, because it's not visibly annoying me.
You heard it here first. Okay, let's end this here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. In the meantime, get out, make it happen. Night.